Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I was not planning on missing an entire week of uploading the first week of January already. But 2023 said, you will rest. Woke up January 1st with the absolute worst cramps I've ever had in my entire life. My poor boyfriend was scared and probably scarred for life after that day. I was literally like contemplating my life that day. It was awful. I don't think I've ever been in that much pain from cramps in my entire life. It was bad. It was very, very bad. And then once I started to feel a little bit better, I was like, okay, the cramps are finally like going away. I feel a little bit better. January 2nd rolls around and I am sicker than a dog. When you're just like very, very stressed and dealing with a lot and your body's just like, you know what, you're gonna rest. Yeah. I got so sick. I don't know what happened. I didn't have COVID or anything. I just was literally like so sick, and I didn't have the flu. I don't know what it was. I still think it was like just a very bad sinus infection because like the way that my face felt. I've never had a sinus infection, but like I was just self-diagnosing myself, and the way that like I had so much pain right here and I had like the worst headache. I just like my eyes were like watering. I'm pretty sure it was just a very bad sinus infection, but I was out like the whole week. The whole week I was not well. I feel a little bit better today. Finally, today's like the first day I'm feeling like a little bit better. I still sound kind of sick, so I'm sorry. I'm still kind of like congested. Like I feel like I can't hear myself. So we're back. We're starting off the new year. I'm so mad because I was like planning on, I had so many videos planned already for like the first week of the year. I wanted to do this video. I have the Makeup by Mario foundation that I've been wanting to play with, so I will get to those. It's also just a very stressful month. Feel like I'm not going to promise any consistency here because it is going to be a very stressful next couple of weeks. So yeah, but I'm here filming a video today. We're here to talk about makeup because I was very excited for this collection. So yeah, I hope that you guys had a good new year. Happy 2023. I cannot believe it's 2023, Jesus Christ. But we're gonna play around with makeup like we usually do here. So I was very excited for this collection. I'm so mad I wasn't able to get a video up beforehand or anything like that, so I'm sorry. But in case you guys still want to get some stuff from the collection, I'll be doing swatches and all that good stuff with it. So today we're gonna be playing around with the Colourpop and Winx Club collection. This was so unexpected. I was not expecting a Winx Club collection. That is so random almost. Is Winx Club like back? Like I don't know. I remember Winx Club from like when I was little, so I haven't kept up with Winx Club in a long time, but from what I remember, I really liked it when I was a kid, and I think the colors in here are so fun and definitely right up my alley. So yeah, this collection has already launched. It is on the Colourpop website, and I believe it's already also at Ulta now, so I will link all of that down below. As always, you guys use my code on the Colourpop website to save 10% off. It is just KATRINA, and thank you to everyone who always uses my codes and everything for collections. I appreciate you so much. So let's just go ahead and jump into the collection. First thing we have is the Just Like Magic palette. This is what the unicorn looks like. It has all the girls on the front. It's super cute. And then this is what the actual palette looks like. I love this packaging. I think it's very adorable. I love that it has girls on the front. I love that it has its each like corresponding color. And then when you open it up, this is what the inside looks like. Very right up my alley. I love it. So cute. We have a mixture of mattes, metallics, some of the the pearlescent glitters. I think that's what the name of it is. I can never remember. But it says transform into fairies with 15 soft pastels and vivid hues and multi-dimensional fairy-like finishes. So yeah, so this is what the palette looks like. I think it's so pretty. This kind of reminds me of like Fade into Hue, but like a little bit of a smaller version. So if you have always wanted that palette or like thought about it, but didn't want like an entire bigger palette like that, this is definitely something that you could do. The next thing that we have are 6 glossy lips. We have a glossy lip for every girl. So we have Tekna, Musa, Bloom, Stella, Flora, and Aisha, I think. I always really liked Flora. That's the only one I can remember from like when I was little. And I love that each packaging of the ultra glossy lip has the girl on the front. So I love that. These are ultra glossy lips, which I have not seen in forever. It says swipe on our high shine gloss in 6 magical shades inspired by Bloom, Stella, Flora, Aisha, Tekna, and Musa. Each glossy lip is a different color, so each one has like a corresponding like lid and everything to the color of the gloss, which I really like. So we have pretty much like the color of the rainbow. I love the packaging. I'll put the swatches on the screen, but packaging is so cute. I really do like that each gloss is a different like color. It's not all the same lids and stuff, because I think that that's just like a little bit more fun. It's really pretty to display if you really wanted to. I think the packaging is really cute. It just has like the little like sparkles on the lid. It's Winx Club like on the front and some chrome lettering. So those are the 6 glosses. Next thing that we have are 3 Lite Stix. It says get 3 glistening shades of our hydrating, easy to use highlighter stick for a fairy like glow. So these ones are all in some like bright fuchsia pink packaging. We have Darcy, Stormy, and Icy. So Darcy is like a frosty base with a like green shift to it. Icy is more of a like frosty base with a little bit of like a just kind of silvery almost, I guess. That one's a little bit more like on the silver side, but it's not super silvery. Like it's definitely very wearable. And then Darcy is, or Stormy is like a really pretty like purple highlight. So those are the Lite Stix. Then we have a Glitterally Obsessed. It is in that same like fuchsia packaging like on the lid, and the unicarton has all the girls on it. It kind of matches, it matches the unicarton for the palette. And then this is in the shade Enchantix, and this one is just one of like, this kind of looks like a lot of the Glitterally Obsessed, if we're being honest. It's kind of like that sheer base with like multi-dimensional glitter. Just, this is actually very chunky glitter. It's really pretty actually. When the light hits it, it has like this really pretty multi-dimensional glitter in it. So this one says make it sparkle with our long-lasting hair and body glitter gel that's ready to use, no glitter glue needed. So that is the Glitterally Obsessed. And the last thing that we have in the collection are some crystal face jewels. These are so cute. I love these. I love that they're all match the colors in the palette. So you have some blue little teardrops, some pink spheres, some like pinky purple teardrop shape, a purpley diamond shape, some green spheres, and then some yellow diamonds. So they're all different shapes. I'll put close-ups on the screen and stuff, but these are really cute. I love adding a little gem here and there. I have some on right now. I just stick these on with eyelash glue and they last all night. I love them. You can reuse them. They're so cute, and I think that's definitely like very fitting for this entire collection. Everything in this collection, I think it's so cute. And like I said, I'll link everything down below for you guys. But this is a look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on everything, then just keep watching. Okay, so sorry my lighting is like so bad right now. It's like raining, so like the lighting in the back is like all off. But we're gonna go ahead and start off with the palette. So I think I'm gonna start off with the shade Zenith. It is this shade right here. I kind of want to do pink and green, but we'll see. So I'm gonna start off with the shade, and my eyes are already primed. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my crease and use this as my transition shade. So far it's going on pretty well. It's pretty pigmented for being like a light shade. I'm sorry if you can hear the rain in the background, and then also like my laundry is going on, so there's a lot of noises going on right now. Shades like this, I just like to pack them on because then I can get the most pigment that way, and then I'll blend it out afterwards. So I have that shade down. I'm going to go into Andros. It is this shade. I'm going to put this in my outer corner and then into the little bit of the outer crease as well. Just in this like little outer V area, that little V shape. Going up into this outer crease just a tad. Bringing that a little bit on this like lash line right here too. Just so everything is kind of like nice and smoky. And I am going to take a little bit of the shade Lymphia. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's the shade right here. It's like the light pink. I'm going to take that like on a little flat brush. And I'm just going to kind of put this in this area right here to bring some pink in. Really pretty pink. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's actually pretty pigmented for being like a really light pink. A little bit more of Zenith, which was that light green, and just kind of blend everything out with that. And with my finger, I'm going to go into Domino. I think this is a pearlescent glitter, which is my new favorite formula if you guys have been watching my most recent videos. I'm just going to take this and put this on the inner part of my lid. I just love how the glitters look. A little up into the crease. I'm gonna go into Nature's Symphony. I believe this is also a pearlescent glitter. It's just a green one. I'm gonna kind of go over the center into that green. Just gonna blend the two together. Green one is so stunning. I'm obsessed with this one. Okay, cute. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation really quick and then we'll finish up the eyes. Head and just did my base and everything really quick. So we're gonna use one of the Lite Stix just to get this out of the way. I mentioned this in, was it my last Colourpop video? I don't remember. I don't remember what collection it was. I'm not a huge fan of the Lite Stix, but we're gonna use one anyway. I think the one that I think would look the best is this one, which is Icy. It is just a, actually this one doesn't look too bad. Some of them look kind of chalky. This one actually looks really pretty and like highlighty. It's kind of like a, it's giving glowy dewy more so than like highlighty chalky the way that some of the other ones have been lately. So I'm kind of just warming it up on the back of my hand and just kind of placing it down and just blending that out. Okay, this one doesn't look too bad. It's a little bit more on the icier side, but it's looking more like glow from within more so than like a chalky highlight, which the ones that were in that last collection definitely looked more chalky. I forgot what collection it was, but this is really pretty. This one I'm not mad at. I actually do like this one a lot. Okay, so not all the Lite Stix are bad. This one, it looks really pretty. Like it's giving dew more so than chalk. It was the Aurora Struck collection, that one. I didn't like the Lite Stix in that one. This one looks really pretty. Okay, I take back what I said. These ones are nice. This one is icy. I like it. I actually think I'm going to use this one down the center of my nose because I like it so much. Cute! It's giving button nose. My fave. Okay, let's go ahead and finish the eyes. We also have a Glitterally Obsessed. I have enough glitter on right now, but this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I think you guys know what the Glitterally Obsessed look like on now. And we also have some face gems, which I think I might use one or two. I don't know yet, but we're gonna finish up the eyes. I'm gonna take, I kind of want to take some pinks, maybe a little bit. I want to take Sound of Melody, this one. Let's see how this looks. I'm taking that one right here. Just keeping that pink right in the inner part of the lower lash line. I go back with that green shade, which was Andros, the one that we used on the outer corner. I'm going to do the same thing just on this outer corner over here. It's giving watermelon. Take a little bit of the shimmer that we used, the pink one, same one right here, just kind of brighten this up since it is a little bit of a darker pink. Okay, that's better. It was giving like very harsh. In our corner, I'm going to go into Pure Magic. This is a Super Shock shadow in here, super pretty. And I'm just going to plop that on the inner part of my eye. Ooh, that is really pretty. I like that a lot. That's pretty much it for the eyes. I am going to take some of the little gems. I might do it off camera just because it's so hard to do it on camera. But I think I'm going to take the pink and green ones, the little sphere ones, and put them maybe on this outer part. Maybe a green and a pink. I don't know. I'll be right back. I'm going to do that really quick. I went ahead and just finished up the eyes. I ended up putting the little gems right here and right here to match the eyeshadow placement. I think it looks really cute. I actually really like how this look turned out. So we're going to just finish off the lips. So we have a bunch of glosses in here. They're ultra glossy lips, which I haven't seen. Can someone tell me like when the last time ultra glossy lips were in a collection? Because I literally cannot remember. So I was so excited to see those in here again. I think the one I'm going to use today is which one is this? Musa. It's a really pretty pink gloss. I think for lip liner, I'm going to use the About Face Little lip liner just to have a little bit of something. Also, my lips are super dry right now. This looks good with the gloss. It's like a little bit more mauve-y than I thought, but let's see. Ooh, this is a really pretty gloss. Oh my god, I haven't used one of these glosses in so long. That's actually really pretty. I thought it was going to be like a little bit more metallic, but it actually looks really pretty. It goes really nicely with this look. So let me dust off this powder and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on everything. So this is the finished look. I love how this look turned out. I think it's so cute and fun. So let me give you guys my final thoughts on everything. Starting off with the palette, I think the packaging is so cute, and I really like the colors in here. I love all of the shades. I do think it is pretty, like, a little similar if you have like Fade into Hue, which is the like rainbow palette that has some like shimmers and stuff in here, although I do like the shimmers in here a little bit more just because they're that like pearlescent glitter formula that I really like. But overall, I think this is such a pretty palette. It's so cute. You guys know how I feel about rainbow palettes. I love them. This is a great companion if you have the Matte About Hue palette, which has been talked about enough on my channel. I talk about all the time. I love it so much. I think it's so pretty. I love this look. I think it's so cute. And if you like Winx Club, I think this is like a cute little collector's like thing to have. I feel like I haven't seen any Winx Club makeup ever. I could be wrong. I don't know like every makeup collection that's ever launched, but I don't think I've seen anything for like Winx Club, so that was super exciting. And I think, yeah, it's a really cute palette. If you like these colors, I definitely would say pick it up. I don't think you'll be disappointed in it. It's a really cute little rainbow palette. So if you like have been thinking about like Fade into Hue, but you're like, I don't think I'll use all of the rainbow colors or something like that. Same about Matte About Hue. If you don't think you'll use like an entire makeup palette of rainbow colors, this is a good alternative. It's like a smaller version of both of them, and it kind of has like a little bit of everything, like mattes and shimmers. So this is a cute palette. Even if you don't like Winx Club or anything like that, if you like rainbow colors, I think this is right up your alley. Actually was very pleasantly surprised with the Lite Stix. A lot of them I just don't really care for. Some of them look more chalky than like a glow, and I like more of a glow if I'm going to do highlighter. So especially those ones, I feel like a lot of the Lite Stix kind of have that like frosty like shift to like a certain color kind of highlight to them, and this one I really liked. This one was icy. I think it's so pretty. It does look like very glowy. I don't think it looks super frosty or anything. I have it down the center of my nose. I really like it. It's actually very subtle, which I like. I don't like a super highlighted look anymore, so this is like really pretty. I like the other one as well. I think these ones definitely look more highlighty and glowy, more so than like kind of a chalky stripe on your face, if you will. Some of them do look like that, but these ones I think were very nice. I really like the little gems in here. They're not like just all little circles. They have some of the little teardrop shaped or like little like diamond shape. I think they're really cute. These are really fun. I love that they're corresponding colors with the palette, so I really like that a lot. I did like a little corresponding gem look with the eyeshadow colors that I use, so yeah. All the glosses are really pretty. I think this one that I have on is really pretty. It's like a really nice pink color. I haven't seen glossy lips in forever. Like, we've definitely been getting like the other formulas of glosses, so I haven't seen anything back to like the OG ones, which is really exciting. So I love the original like ultra glossy lip formula. It's super comfortable, super nice, looks really pretty and glossy on the lips. And the Glitterally Obsessed, I think this is definitely like very fitting for the collection. I feel like the Glitterally Obsessed are definitely like hit or miss for me. I either really like them or I just don't care about them. Not that they're bad, but I don't really use them that often. But this one is really pretty. I think it goes really well with the colors in the palette and the rest of the collection. So if you like Glitterally Obsessed, I think this one is a really cute one. But yeah, it's kind of just like typical like multicolor glitter throughout, like a kind of clear base almost. So that is everything in the collection, and I definitely would say if you're gonna pick anything up, I would say the palette is definitely a must. I think it's so cute and I love like the colors in here. I think it's definitely very corresponding to all of the girls as well, and I just think that the packaging goes well with the shades inside. Yeah, I think if you're gonna pick up anything in the collection, I would say the palette, which is always a great thing because I feel like the palette is definitely always like the main thing of a collection. So I love when like I really like the palette out of everything else in the collection. Not that everything else like is not a must, but I definitely would say if you're gonna pick anything up, it's the palette. Maybe a couple glosses, and I think I wouldn't skip out on maybe like one of the little Lite Stix. I think they're all really pretty, so whatever shade that you like, I think you'll like whatever one you pick up. So in the comments down below, did you guys pick anything up from this collection? I know I'm a little late, but I want to know what you guys picked up, what you guys' thoughts on everything. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.